it's important, and also because our smallholder dairy farming system, it's important that our response also for the methane reduction should be unique. And what I believe and what other speakers as well, highlighted is that farmers needs to be incentivized for the sustainable practices, and we should not penalize the farmers. While catalyzing the methane reduction efforts, it should also contribute to animal productivity, because our animal productivity, though we have large number of animals, per animal productivity is very low. It should also lead to the better health of the animal. It should also lead to the reduction in the input cost and also optimize the resource use. And most important, I think it should also provide additional income to the farmers, so that it ensures the sustainability over a longer period. So these are, I think, out of all the initiatives which we have taken forward, I'll just take up 4 initiatives which are basically aiming at tackling the methane emission challenge. First is the ration balancing programs. Then we have done something on the total mix rations for the small dairy holder farming systems. We are also now working on the feed related initiatives like silage and feed additives to reduce the methane emission. And lastly, the manure management. What we are doing is we are putting a small anaerobic digester or a small 2 to 3 cubic meter biogas plant at the farmer's doorstep in his backyard. And it takes care of the cooking need of the farmer's family. And the remaining bioslurry, which is available after the methane is used as the fuel, is converted into organic manures, both solid and liquid manures, which are very rich in micronutrient. The solid manure is again converted into phosphate-rich organic manure, and different type of liquid manures are also made for different purpose. These are all the decentralized model. To actually use this model at a centralized place, we have also now a few large capacity digesters which are dung based, and it produces the biogas which is compressed and then used as bio-CNG for the vehicle mobility. And the remaining slurry is used into organic fertilizer. Very recently, we have now set up 2,000 cubic meter digester at one of our dairy plant. And there we are taking the dung at a centralized place. The biogas produced is used for taking care of the energy needs of the dairy plant. We are actually passing the biogas to the boilers for production of steam, which takes care of processing of 2 lakh liter milk every day. And the organic manures are also produced. There is also a facility to convert the biogas to produce the electricity from the biogas in the similar plant. So we are trying with this idea to take care of the energy requirement in terms of steam and electricity through the use of dung and the biogas production in the dairy processing plants. I think having done all this, a last slide where what we want to do in the future is actually appropriately incentivizing the scientific feeding and the manure management practices for the farmers. And we believe that it will certainly help to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. We are working on various innovations in the feed additives, newer formulations, and also the partnerships. I think all the speakers highlighted this, and we are very open to such partnership which help us to work further in this direction. And some appropriate carbon financing models. We are looking at partnership with some of the biogas companies, some of our internal organizations, and also the EDF. That would be the key going forward to take care of the methane emissions.